Hey guys, Kid Guru here with yet another XP tutorial. This is basically, I was sitting in school today and I decided to pick up some computer books, even though I've read most of all the computer books that I have in my local library at school. So I was reading an Apple book and then I finished that and decided to read Windows XP for Dummies, just to, touch up and see what they had on it. Those books are really actually helpful, and I was reading through and I saw this thing that I've kind of knew about. I knew about remote desktop, but remote assistance is what the other one is called. And this one's actually really cool, and I thought I should show you guys at YouTube, even though YouTube's down right now, and it's been down for a couple hours. I'll just upload this later on, but anyways, I want to show you what it is, how it works. It's really cool. So, picture this, guys. You just downgraded from Vista to XP. I know a lot of people have done it. Or you've just upgraded from 95 or 2000. I know some people have done that too. If you're still using 95 or 1000. 2000, sorry. And let's say that, you haven't mastered XP, you're running into problems left and right, and, a lot of people do, and that's okay, and then, a lot of people I bet will say, it's Windows, that's why. Well, I bet you all my OS X fans out there will say that, but anyways, guys, OS 10 fans, sorry. I know a lot of people do that, and I know a lot of people need support, and you can't just go up and call a technician at like 2 o'clock in the morning. Well, you could, but, if it was open, but you can't get, like, whoever's, if you have a tech savvy and they're sleeping right now, or any of that sort, but, you have a friend or anybody, who lives down the street or wherever, and is really tech savvy's mastered XP, and, he can help you with your problem, but you can't call him, you can't come over, or anything of that sort. Here's where remote assistance will come in handy. It'll allow the user to control your desktop, see your screen on their screen, kind of like a virtual. I don't know if it's going to open in a virtual machine window, but basically they'll be able to see it, and they can connect, kind of like at your schools or monitoring programs. That's what kind of like how it is. So it does it all through wirelessly. Uses the internet to do this. If you have an internet connection, it'll be much faster. I'm pretty sure you have to have an internet connection to do so. So not only that, unlike remote desktop, you can control it while they're controlling it. So both of you can control it, and the security features are nicely packed. Sometimes it may open up firewall ports for them to get in, but at the end it automatically closes it, so they can't try to get back into your system or anything of that sort. It's being monitored by you, of course, and you can control also. You can set session times, you can set invitation expirations, all that type of stuff. So it's really, really cool. It's really, really secure, and most of all, you should be doing it with somebody you really trust, like a friend or a family member, or any of that sort. And I'll be using this around the family and the house too. Sometimes I'm just too lazy to get out of my chair and go over to the rooms and stuff like that. If you're a true geek, this is really a fun tool to use. Anyways, guys, first off, you want to go to your start menu, help and support. Oh, actually, first go to your check if it's on. So go to Control Panel, open that up. You're gonna want to make sure you're even running remote assistance. Go to System. I can just exit that. System will pop up, and then you get a whole bunch of tabs right here. And whoa, my icons all just disappeared. Okay, sorry about that. Remote, and then you're gonna want to go to make sure that's checked, and you can even learn more if you want through there. So make sure that's checked, and just by checking it, it doesn't mean that they can get in. Remember, you have to accept an invitation, etc., etc. So make sure you know who you're getting the invitation from. And hit advanced if you want. Check out all of this. Invitations, set maximum time it can remain open, stuff like that. That's invitations. I don't know if they're counting invitations as how long they can stay on, but I would be guessing that's what invitations mean. Anyways, go to your help and support center, and from the home screen it's gonna look like this. Let me go all the way back. And it's really actually easy to set up. I was practicing with a session earlier today, so sorry it's kind of sluggish right now. I have no idea why. Well, maybe because I booted up a couple minutes ago. Oh yeah, never mind. Now it's going fast. I never noticed I was changing windows. Anyways, so from the start menu screen, you're gonna have this right here, and you're going to go to Ask for Assistance and go to Invite a Friend to connect your computer. Now, if you want to be the one that is inviting somebody, you have to go through here. Now, if you want to control somebody else, they have to invite you. So make sure you tell them how to do this if they don't know how. If they're the tech savvy one, they should know how. So they go here, click that, and then go here, and then you can go view the invitation status or invite somebody to help you. Click there. Well, you never know if somebody tech savvy, they don't know about this. It'd be a good thing to teach them actually, because yeah. So you see here, it's a really cool way to contact your assistant. How? You can do it through Windows Live Messenger or Microsoft Outlook. So Express, etc. Well, again, there are Microsoft products. A lot of people might not like this. I know my OS X fans, my OS 10 fans, will probably say, you're running into problems because it is Windows. That's the reason you're running into problems, and But Outlook's okay for me. I think Microsoft Office and stuff like that's fine with me. I don't run into many problems with these. Messenger, I don't use it that much, but it's okay for now as a chat client. Anyway, so like I said, you can sign in, and that's really easy if you want to go to IM and invite people, or even use email. So type an email address right here. You can check your address book through your Outlook and then invite the person. They get the invite, they accept, and they can see your screen. As easy as that. They can control it for wherever you want it. You can set restrictions, I'm pretty sure, stuff of that nature. And you can even check the view status invitation. And from here, you click it. You make sure they'll say the email. You have to click on the bubble, and then you can hit details to see how it's doing. You can expire it, you can resend it, or you can even delete the whole invitation. So guys, you can check there's a lot of support, I should say, on this program. It's really easy to use, really easy to set up, and most likely you're already running on it, and you never know. You never knew you were already eligible for it. Anyways, guys, this is on Windows XP. Now for Vista, I believe it's remote desktop that you have to use from there, but that's not multiple users. But I'm not sure. I have to look into Vista for Vista. Anyways, guys, and I also have to look for OS 10. So if you're an OS 10 user, I'm pretty sure there's a way to do this as well. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it, and you can catch me daily on my Ustream, guys. Don't forget to stop by. I'm in the chat room right now with a subscriber by the name of PetMod, and I'm streaming about now 24/7 when I'm sleeping. It's either on me or it's on. I have a Ustream playlist now playing, so I play stuff like Macworld 2007. I have the 1997 Boston one up there. Keynote speeches by Steve Jobs, and if you're a Microsoft fan, I have keynotes by Bill Gates. I have a whole bunch of tech stuff on my playlist, and I'm updating it more and more every day to play for you guys at night, or the camera's just sitting on me sleeping. Anyways, guys, Pepmon said there is a way in OS X, so he's done that before, he said. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can email me at kidgurucenter@gmail.com. And if you're having any tech problems and you want me to do it, and you can trust me, if you're a full subscriber, you will trust me. Don't worry, guys, I won't screw up your system. You can email me at kidgurucenter@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to help you. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.